Baby top radio.
Let the
She's
people
come
first
to eat
come.
food. Good morning, guys. It's Baby top.
Wait to Michael. Michael, we are live. Adrian, wait.
Food.
At what? I came to eat food.
Good morning, Baby top.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine. How?
Good.
Uh-huh.
What about you? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very good. Say hello to my fans.
What's me?
How is everything?
Good.
Which school do you go to in America?
Nursery. Only those.
Uh-huh.
Hey,
So,
good morning, guys.
good morning, guys. From
How are you? Good morning, Baby top.
Hey, good morning.
This is Baby top's kid. I don't know why Baby top is laughing. Yeah.
Because you guys are funny.
Funny in which way?
Uh-huh. So,
Not
what you're
funny.
saying, what did I come to do?
She only came here to eat. Yeah, she just came to eat.
Give us love.
And this is Kamama FM radio.
Oh, yeah, come here, man.
Kamama FM
Do
radio.
you know to speak to in Kikuyu?
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, cool. What? Why is she laughing?
Oh, wait. Ohoro waku?
Nemo Zamana.
Ati ni mwega muno. Ohoro waku gatei? Ni mwega. Ni mwega muno. So, ni ore kedo. Hey, my nail gatei. My nail.
You're going live. We're in live TV and here you are.
I'm
pretending
screaming.
to cry.
We are
Oh,
live.
man.
Say hi, fans.
Hi fans, how you feeling?
This is cameraman.
This is Kamama FM
And
radio.
what is your name?
My name is Michael Kirumba.
What's your name again?
Michael Kirumba.
Mark and Jorge Kirumba.
And mine is Alisa Baby Top.
You are all the way from New York.
Yep. And I'm from
We came back to
London.
Kenya. I don't know why.
Yep.
And you hate Kenya.
Who is Kenya?
Do you
I
love-
love Kenya.
You love Kenya?
I've came here to eat noodles.
Oh, you just love noodles in Kenya. I'm asking. Ohoro waku.
Nemo Zamana.
Eh?
Nemo Zamana. Why is she laughing? There's nothing fun, bro.
We need to start a radio.
Yep.
What's the name of our radio?
Rabbits.
Ati Rapid.
I lost on life.
So yeah, she's actually in America.
Hawa watoto pelekea kihenjo atoe. Ati. Gate. Which team are you supporting? Man City.
Let's go, friends.
Let's go Haaland. Let's go Haaland. Let's go Haaland. Let's go Mbappe. Yeah. So now say hello and say hi. Say Karembo. Read the names. Karembo, Monique.
Monica,
This.
Patrick,
Maura.
Sam,
Caris. You don't know how to read Gekoyo?
yeah.
Oh, it's back.
It's a
So
prank,
1, 2, 3. Are we in America?
No. It's a prank, bro. It's a prank, bro.
It is a prank.
Prank.
Yeah.
Prank.
Salimia watoto. Mimi ni auntie watoto na itwa auntie nice.
Sawa.
Kana baby top.
Baby top.
Baby top.
Baby top.
Yeah. Adorable.
Adorable.
Toto. Say hi.
This girl, bro. Looks like a girl, man.
Okay. What is? Ati you are who? What's your name? Eh? Samuel who? Uh-huh.
Kirumba.
Uh-huh. Kate who?
Good boy.
Kirumba.
Should be good
How
boy.
old are you?
Two.
You're how old? How old are you?
Two. Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm 5 years old, turning 6. When I'm 12, I'm getting a phone.
Yeah, an iPhone.
iPhone 15.
Plush.
iPhone 12.
iPhone 15.
No.
iPhone
Can you
15
behave
Pro
like
Max.
you're in a studio and you want to do a presentation? So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Kameme FM.
Welcome to Kameme FM.
Yeah.
Here's Baby Talk.
Yeah.
Now,
We have come to sing a song.
Yeah, I have a song.
Okay, Baby Top is gonna sing a song. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Bye, guys.
I should. You can't leave. We are having 1,000 viewers, honey. So we must sing.
Joe, come on,
Which song?
So
Which
Baby
song?
Top is gonna
Oh,
sing.
rush, eh?
Me no getting time. Me no getting time for the hate and the bad energy. Come on, mama.
Money,
Make you dance like
Kokore,
steady do like
Kokore,
steady on my grind, no do it, no do what energy. Today on my fantasy. I wanna check if my tummy no. And take a big roll. It rolls far away the more. And I take my top in rush. It come on in the touch. Yeah. It rush. It rolls far away the more. And I take my top in the rush. It come on in the brush. Eh. Papa. And the jackpata are the coganas. I never seem to the coganas. I never see before. Saloni and a semi. Ajay. I wanna take my girl away, Ajay. You can come my lane. You can dress my lane. Me no get time for the hate and the bad energy. Come on, my
Company,
make you dance like
Kokore,
steady the like
Kokore.
steady on my grind, no the way, no the one and the need. You know my fantasy. I want to check if my tabby no wrong. And tabby the rose, it rose where the rose. And I check my tabby the rose. The come on it rose. Yeah, it rose where the moss. I'll take my top in the rose.
So adorable.
Come on, it talk.
Yay!
Another papa. Under the jackpot, I go ganas. I never seen to the coganas. I never see before. Saloni and the singing the music. Ajay. I wanna take my gig away. Ajay, you can come my lane. You can dress my lane. My lane.
Wow, do you know any Kikuyu song? No Kikuyu?
Me no. Ben the guy.
Ben the
So he's
guy.
gonna sing a song by Ben the Guy.
Yeah, you know you're the presenter. So can you ask Michael to do the Ben Gigai? Sorry, Gigai.
Michael, please sing the song by Ben the Guy.
Oh, Ben the guy. Is it Gedai or Gedgai?
Ben Gidai.
Yeah.
Start.
At the baby top no can do right. It's okay get dopo. Sing the Bengi guys.
3, 2, 1, go.
I forgot it a little bit. I forgot it.
But which one is it?
Please.
I forgot it.
Okay.
But you
then,
know it.
Then Baby Top is gonna sing.
Baby talk sing. Baby talk.
Nero reko keruba. Newe o jekete o mo.
Marani. Nane kuka bararia.
Newe o gwete liye dali.
Nawele
Okwe.
kuka mono.
Ateke newe o jekete o mo.
Marani.
Hallelujah.
Nane kuka bararia.
Ke oni eda.
Nane kuka mono.
Do you know any Kikuyu, any other Kikuyu song?
No, for me, no. Why not Baby Top on radio?
Yeah, Baby Top Radio.
Baby Top radio.
Please subscribe and tag someone.
Subscribe, share, and like.
Oh yes,
Subscribe, share,
and like. So which other song are we singing? We've sung Rush.
Dance Monkey.
Oh, like. Let's sing a song.
I said, oh my God.
Let's sing a. Take your hand, my dear. Whoop. She doesn't know the song. Let's do colors.
Which colors?
Know how far we go. Now,
Yeah,
now. And you see now you know till we go. I'm ready. You know to know it. You know how far we go. Now. Hands up, two colors.
Hey, Gate, you're misbehaving on the radio.
Far we come now.
Hands up, two
My name.
I'm running away.
So now, Alicia the presenter.
Know how far we go.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe, and share. Hope you enjoyed the video.
From Baby Top TV and radio.
Yep.
Auntie Nice. So now, introduce Alicia to do something, a presentation.
Hi guys, this is my sister. We're home right now. It's visiting.
Who is in the house?
Uncle Oba is in the house.
Yes. Guka Roger, Baby Top, Adrian, Gake.
Muthoni left.
Yes.
That's all that is.
And Daddy? What's the name of your daddy?
And Steven Kirumba.
Steven Kirumba. Ati the family is on fire. So many hellos and beautiful family. Oh, can't you say oh? Thanks, guys. That is how we do it.
Thanks so much, guys. Thanks a lot for all the views we've got.
And actually for all the what?
For all the views we've got.
Oh, we got mad views, honey.
So many views.
We got so many views and so nice. And now they want you to read news. You know, you're presenters, you're journalists, you know. Can you do a presentation?
Let Baby Top say news, because we don't know news.
Okay, Baby Top, it's our time to say ourselves. Stop laughing.
Oh, we're on TV. Oh, yeah, we're on TV, sorry. Forgive my bad manners. So any other presentation we need to do before we go to sleep? Gate. Any other presentation?
Yeah.
No, you can appreciate the people loving the wherever. Sophie, Jose, Cecilia, Kamal,
Sammy, Liz,
Stacy, Karen. Ati ne Jeff Koinange mdogo. Ati you another Jeff Koinange. Kiki, you look so good with your babies. Oh yeah, honey, Gracie. We are speaking in English. Kindly type in English. Mary Williams.
Thanks, guys.
Ati now, as you talk Kikuyu, Marianne is asking from Doha, Qatar.
She does.
Do you talk Kikuyu?
Only outside.
Hi, say hi in Kikuyu.
Ohoro waku.
Ohoro waku.
Nemugamono. Ohoro waku.
Ohoro waku.
Nemugamono.
Nemwega mono. Ohoro waku.
Namagamama.
Adrian ohoro waku. You know ohoro waku? You don't know. You say nemwega. I know you understand Adrian, but you say nemwega mono.
This guy does not know.
Speak Kikuyu.
Yeah.
But the mother
He
speaks
doesn't even know a single word.
in Kikuyu, sorry. But you know Kikuyu.
I know they have
Say hi to
Say hi to Keruba.
our dad.
Wagare wa medode dirakuara.
Hi guys, it's Baby Top.
It's Baby Top TV.
Baby Top TV.
We are here with Chairman.
We are here with Chairman.
Yes, he's our father. Pizza. What's the name of our best pizza?
Pepperoni pizza.
Which pizza?
Pepperoni pizza.
Oh yeah. Do we have another presentation before we leave?
No.
We are at 1.8. We need to start a radio.
When can I?
Do you know it's 1.8 giri thousand? Say giri.
Giri.
Thousand.
Thank you for
Beautiful family, thank you. They're saying beautiful family.
Thank you.
So many people.
Yeah,
You wanna sing for them another song?
Okay, Michael, Kirumba is gonna sing for you another song.
Yes.
Wait guys, let me think. song before.
And keep saying, hey guys.
Yeah. So we're gonna say the people who have comments.
Our kirumba is telling us, you guys, you have to sleep. At 1.8, we must sing one song.
Yeah.
At Maisha no Maya. Do you know Maisha no Maya?
No. Oh my God.
What are you laughing at?
You don't know Maisha? Life is like cliff for the living.
What are you laughing at? We are in radio.
We are in radio.
Yeah.
We need to keep laughing and entertaining the fans. This is Jav.
This joke.
Koinange. Koinange or Koinage. You both look great. Okay, we are now checking out. Do you have any other song? Anything to say? Can you say something to my fans? There are so many thousands and millions. Tell them thank you for listening to Baby Top.
Thank you for listening to Baby Top and her babies.
And what would you tell them? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for all fans.
And by the way, she introduced our names on
Radio
on Wednesday.
on Wednesday.
On Wednesday.
Yeah. So there's that song you're singing. Majina yote mazurini yangu Jehovah mbaji wangu. Mbaji wangu. We have to go. We want to know Shai. Do you know Shai? Do you know Shai?
No.
Shai is tea.
Oh, Shai.
Bye. We love you guys.
Love you guys.
So, once again, what is your name?
Bro, leave the guy alone.
What's your name again?
My name is Michael Kirumba.
And how old are you?
5.
And where do you go to school?
Nursery school.
Because Saga had nursery guys, so yeah.
Yes.
An academy.
Yeah.
A school has so many children, guys.
Yes.
If you were there, you couldn't believe it.
Yeah. And they think you sound so good.
Thanks. That's just my voice.
That's your voice.
That's just my voice.
Sorry. That's just your voice.
Yep. That's my voice.
That's your voice.
Yeah,
They
that's
think you
my
sound
voice.
so good.
Thanks.
But that's just your voice.
Yes, that's my voice.
Next time I'm gonna dance.
Yeah, we're gonna dance for you next time. Keep it real. Continue following Muthoni Keroba. Bye bye. Say bye, Adrian.
Leave this guy alone.
Adrian hates life. Cheers, guys.
Eunice Gateo.
Watching. She's watching. And Mutuwege Deji. Mother Carol. PMC afternoon. And we have a PMC afternoon. John Shikegwa, much love. Damaris Gitari. And all of you, have a good night. Are you gonna tell them in French or Germany or
Bonjour.
you know? Comment ça va? Hola.
Au revoir.
Over. See you.
Yeah.
We love you.
Peace.
From the Kirumbas with love.
Peace.
Peace. Wagwan.
We are peace.